Next is the short answer question. Let us take the first three questions first. For question number 1, what is a rib cage? What is the function of the rib cage? Means you have to firstly you have to tell what is a rib cage, and then you have to tell what are the functions of the rib cage. So the definition goes the 12 pairs of thin and curved bones which we call ribs. Means we have 12 pairs. 12 pairs means 24 ribs. So 12 pairs of thin and curved bones which we call the ribs, they form a cage-like structure. I have given you the diagram also in the exercise, also in your book also. Diagram is given, you can see the 12 pairs of ribs. They form, the ribs are the thin and curved bones, and they form a cage-like structure. Cage you very well know. They form a cage-like structure, and we call that cage-like structure as the rib cage. And what is the function of this rib cage? The rib cage, it protects our delicate organs like the heart and the lungs. It is the main function of the rib cage. Now come to question number 2. What are fixed joints? Previously we studied about the movable joints. Now we are studying about the fixed joints. The joints which do not allow any movement between the bones, they are called the fixed joints. So when we were talking about movable, they allow movement. Some of the movable, they show maximum movement, some show minimum movement, but some sort of movement was shown by the joints, movable joints. But when we talk about the immovable, the fixed joints, they do not allow any movement between the bones. That is why we call them the fixed joints. For example, the bones of skull, inner skull, the bones are interlocked with each other and are held together by fibrous cartilage which do not allow any movement. So in our skull, the bones, they are interlocked with each other, and they do not allow any type of movement. They are held together by fibrous cartilage. Next is question number 3. Why do animals move from one place to another? So this question we have studied, we have discussed in the modules, that why do animals they move, why they need to move from one place to another, why can't they stay at one place, why can't you stay at one place? It is impossible for people to live in their houses during the lockdown period. All wanted to go out. So why do the animals they need to move? So humans also move for different purposes. They have different motives. They move out for work, for their occupation, to study, to teach, for in their office. So different, in the same way the animals also move for different purposes. So animals move mainly for these 4 reasons. Because animals, they do, the pet animals, they are kept by people at their home, but all animals, they do not have home. So what is the need to move? Firstly, to find food and water. The animals, they move to find food and water. To search for food and water, they need to move. Nobody is going to give them food, so they need to search their food and water. So when they feel hungry, when they feel thirsty, they go out, they move, and they search for it. Next is to protect themselves from enemies and predators. Sometimes there are predators which eat other animals, so to the small animals, especially to protect themselves from the bigger animals, from the predators, the animals, they need to protect themselves, so they move from one place to some other secure place. Next is move from unfavorable to favorable environment. So sometime when the seasons change, the climatic conditions change, the animals are not able to cope up with that. They are not able to live in such conditions. That is why they need to move to different places. Penguins, they migrate to other places. Birds also migrate to different places. So to find favorable environment, the animals, they move from one place to another, when some seasonal change is there, when some other things, for example deforestation also leads to migration of animals because they lose their homes. Next is to lay eggs and rear their young ones, because all of us want safe place for our kids, for our babies. In the same way, animals also want some safe place to lay eggs so that nobody can disturb them, nobody can harm them. In the same way, they want a special place, them some safe place where they can lay their eggs, where they can rear their young ones, they can take care of their